Welcome!
Marcelo!
Hello guys!
Mario!
Oh, what are those, Marcelo? Marcelo, tell me something.
Look, that's...
Oh, yes. But tell me something first. Who's that friend over there?
I'm
Batman.
Why Batman is here in the video? Why? Because we're going to paint all those Batman, yes. So Batman is going to be here with us, yes? Yes. Okay, Marcelo, but first we have to tell your friends what do we need. So we need cotton swab. Let me see. Try that. Yes. Now put it back. We need a
balloon.
Oh, we need balloons. Yes, very good. What else do we need, Marcelo? What else?
Cotton.
Jar.
Jar.
We need jar. What else? Yes, we need a straw. What else? And look. Yes, we need a teeth. But that's not the teeth. What's that? A toothbrush. Toothbrush. Yes. And also we need two colors. Color yellow and color
Black.
very good. So it's time to start. Yes. What do you want to use first, Marcelo? What do you want to use first? The cotton swab? The jar? Okay, the cotton. So we need one worksheet. We're gonna put it here. And we need first color yellow. See here. First we're gonna put color yellow around Batman. Do it, Marcelo. No, like this. Look. Like this. Look. Point, point. Yeah. Point, point. Point, point, point. Point, point. Very good. So we're going to paint with yellow around Batman. Very good, Marcelo. Wonderful job. No, not inside. Not inside. Inside we're going to use black. Yeah, around Batman. Yes. Very good. Okay. Good job, Bye. Color yellow. Now look, we're going to use cotton swab. Yes. We're going to put a little bit of color, black like this, and you're going to use like this. Look. But. Yeah, do it. It's fun. What color is that?
Black.
It's color black. Very good. Good job, Marcelo. Inside Batman. Here, inside. Inside Batman. Very good. We need to use, look, an old t-shirt because we're using paint. That's Marcelo's brother's t-shirt.
Wow.
Very good. Good? Okay, now let's go with the next one. Take another Batman. Go, take another Batman. Put this one here. Very good. Wonderful job. And we're going to put that one here. It's okay. It's okay. Right here. Okay, now, what do you want to use? What do you want now? You want balloons, you want jars, you want the toothbrush, or you want the straw? Which one do you want? You want the jar? Okay, first, look. Oh, you want the balloon? Okay. Okay, here. Now, first, you have to color around. You want the balloon? We have to blow first the balloon. So, Mommy's going to do it for you. See?
It's so nice.
Okay, Marcelo, look. We're going to, we're going to use the balloon like this. Look, we're going to put a little bit of black and we're going to paint. Boop, 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 boop.
Hey, so cool.
You want it? Okay. Put paint. First paint. Paint. Oh, I like it. You want more? Very good.
Wow.
I love balloons. And Marcelo loves balloons, right? Okay, we're ready? So we need another one.
Get another paper, Marcelo.
Bring another. We're gonna put this one here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Going down. Okay. Now,
Another one.
ready. Okay, which one? Do you want to use the jar, the toothbrush, or the straw? Which one do you want to use? The straw? Okay, we're going to use the straw. So this one, we're going to do it here on the carpet. Here. Okay, first, color yellow around. Very good, Marcelo.
The yellow's in the border.
Circle, 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 circles. Whoa, many circles. Wonderful job. Okay, bye-bye colored yellow. And now, look, what are we going to do? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to put the top. Ready? Okay, look, what are you going to do? Oh, you want to open? Okay, open.
He wants.
Yeah! Okay, look, we're going to put a little bit of black here. Just a little bit, Marcelo, okay? Oh, that was not a little bit. Okay, and look, you're going to blow like this. Look at mommy. You're going to blow with the straw. Very good. And you're going to paint all the Batman.
Wow, that's a nice technique.
Good, and this now.
Move it around. Keep blowing, Marcelo. Keep blowing.
Lay down, and do like this. Do it. Yeah, very good. And now you can paint all the Batman like that.
I think you need more paint.
See, like this, look.
That's so cool!
Look at all
Okay.
the Batman, how it's colored.
Now, let's go. Take another one. Yeah, you can take that one. No, doesn't go down. Okay. Yes, you can do it here. Okay, let's see. First color yellow. Open.
Make the borders.
Very good. Oh, I like it. Yes,
Wow.
small circles. Those are small. So fun. Want to do the top? Whoop. Okay, now. You want the jar or you want the toothbrush? The jar? Okay, look what are you going to do with the jar, Marcelo? Wait. You're going to put the jar here in color black. See? You're going to put the jar here in color black and you're going to do like this. Okay?
Oh.
Here. Do it. Yeah!
Wow, you're painting the blackboard, not the
The Batman.
Not the
Okay,
Batman,
ready?
but-
The last one.
Yeah, the last
The
one.
last one, look. For the last one, we're going to use the toothbrush. Oh yes, we have dirty hands, but it's okay. Look, look, what are you going to do with this one? You're going to put it inside the color black and with the toothbrush. Yeah.
Yeah. How
So you
cool.
can use
How cool is that, Marcelo?
balloons, jar, straw, toothbrush. Very good. Your
Wow.
Batman.
Put more paint, Marcelo.
Batman. Look, you're done. Okay, we're not going to use yellow this time. Very good. Can you put it over there with the others? Yes, you can. Whoa! So, how many Batman do we have, Marcelo? 10. Oh my
Wow.
God. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 painting Batman. So take Batman out. We're gonna say bye-bye. But I think Batman wants to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye with Batman, Marcelo.